Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Today we are in the parish of Manchester in a place called Robbins Hall, and we're here to talk to a gentleman by the name of Oneil Heron. All right, so he's a very hardworking farmer and he's also an amputee. So we speak with him in a little while, but please remember to always like, share, and to support the channel. Please hit that post notification bell as well so that as soon as we upload a video, you will be notified. All right, so let's go talk to Mr. Heron. Yes, guys, so we're heading down a hill, and of course, you see me in my water boots because I don't know if Mr. Heron is on his farm or if he's at home. So just, making sure that everything is intact. So better to be safe than sorry. So we put on the water boot this morning. Hi, Mr. Heron. Huh? I realize as the more I'm coming down, it's taking a toll on the knees, Oh, wow. Yes, may I ask you how you reached down here too? Yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, oh my God. Good morning. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Good morning, sir. How you doing? Oh yes, I'm going international.
Yes, man.
God have mercy now.
It's really a pleasure to meet you. We have been talking.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Yes, so now we have a face to the name.
Yes.
Yes,
Mr.
man.
Oneil Heron.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Amputation.
Yes.
Year before last. 1 year and odd now. Poor circulation.
Yeah.
The main vein. The morning when doctor come and said, Mr. Heron, I was at the Prostitution Hospital. So the morning when doctor come and said, Mr. Heron, your foot don't look good enough. I said, doctor, I cannot make that hasty decision, So he said, I'll give you until Tuesday morning. That was a Monday morning. I'll give you until Tuesday morning for you to make up your mind. When he come back now to one ward, the Tuesday morning now, he said, okay, I'm going to call my boss. So when he comes, he said, Mr. Heron, you hold the drip line about something like this. He said 10% of the main vein that going down here is black.
Yeah.
So I said, Doctor, Christian, because I like to ask Christian.
Yes.
I said, what can done to clear it? He says a possibility it can clear and it cannot clear. But that system is not in the hospital.
Oh.
He said that it's about $500,000.
Oh, really?
To do it, yes.
Oh, my.
So the smaller veins that come off the main one, they are not sending as much blood to the foot to
Yes. So that you can have proper circulation.
Proper circulation. This one also.
That one as well?
Is also toeless.
Oh.
Yeah, man, you can see it.
So this one is amputated and this one is toeless. Oh, wow.
Yes.
So, and it's the same circulation problem that caused you to be...
But this one is, not bad.
Yes.
Not bad because I hit me use with a stick to go up the hill.
Oh.
And then I get, oh Lord, is it here? Where is it? Hold on. Okay.
Yes.
One of my friend from Canada give me this
Yes.
2 knee pad.
Okay.
That he use and speak strawberry over there. So it is I use now, along with it, sponge to put on it to go down the farm.
Okay, okay.
When I'm going down there.
Yes.
But when I'm going up the hill, I don't use it.
You use the stick?
I use the stick.
Okay. So how difficult is it for you,
Oh, Lord,
you know, going up and down the hill?
It's not very easy, you know.
Yes.
Because when we come from hospital, the December, year before last, December when I come from hospital, Lord have mercy, I drop about 10, 12 times.
Oh my, before coming down the hill?
Coming down, sometimes going up.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yes, you lost your balance.
Yes, I lost my balance. And sometimes I can't remember that this foot is amputated.
Oh, okay.
Honestly.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
me used to my 2 foot, you understand?
Yes, you're there thinking, you know, you can just walk, not remembering that the leg is amputated. So how it affects you too when it's raining? Because it looks like, you know, it
It's
gets
a little
slippery.
bit difficult, you know, but if I didn't get it step out, it would be more difficult.
Okay, so it's after you became amputated that you got somebody to cut the steps in?
Yes.
Oh.
But through the money now available for box and cars and get them concrete. I don't have to go with that right for now.
Yes. Wow. But it looked good. The person did a good job with it.
Yeah, man, did a good job for you.
Oh, wow. So what are some of the things that you plant? Because I know you are a farmer and you on your farm a lot.
Soursop, breadfruit, pear, mango.
What is this? Star fruit. It's the first time seeing a star fruit tree. Wow.
Really?
Yes.
Star fruit.
I've always seen the fruit, but not on the tree.
Lime tree.
Yes.
When you go down the bottom, you see.
And I see you have mint around the house. You have cane.
Me have mint, me have pine.
Pineapple. Yes.
Cane, fever grass, you name it.
Yes.
Soursop tree, that is that tall one up there is a ribena tree.
Ribena?
Yes.
Really? It bears?
Lord have mercy.
Yeah?
It bears till me can't manage it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It's the first time seeing a ribena tree, so I'm coming up. I have a lot of firsts this morning.
Right now, if you need a sucker, sucker is underneath the tree, you know.
Oh, wow. So I can get one. Thank you so much.
And if you want lime sucker, you can get lime sucker too.
Yes? Oh, I would appreciate that.
You want to go inside now?
Okay, so you want to show us inside?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay. Oh. Okay.
This is inside. You can come in, you know.
Okay.
Come in and take the picture.
Yeah.
See there? That corner split all over there, so. Because I can stay up on my bed and see through the creases there, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, honestly.
Okay. So when it rains, the water comes in?
You know, come in there, so, but right there, so that, right up there, so, seat up there, so a leak, there's a leak. About some crack over there, so too.
Oh.
And you have a big crack across where the wall is, where the black drum is. I don't know if I could create cast it or what.
Okay.
Down here, so now.
Oh.
You see?
So that is where now? That was a room as well?
Yes, that was a room, but it was the old time Nag.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
The old time Nag. All right, you move the chair around there.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we are going to go down so. We're going on the farm.
Yeah. Also, currently you do everything in this room because I see you have your cooking here. You have your stove around this side. And you have your gas right there.
There's an outside kitchen there. But a good time now I don't use it.
Okay, because it's hard for you. Okay. And I see you have the dishes over there. So you do everything in your room pretty much?
Everything.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
The outside toilet is down there.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Okay.
go first and let me come after
All
you.
right, all right. Okay.
Wha-
What happened to
Can
you?
use a stick, you know, go down there, but it's very difficult to come back up.
Oh, so you don't
So
use this?
me no use a stick.
Okay,
Me no
okay.
use it.
Yeah.
Honestly, me no use a stick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the first restaurant that I used to work is a lean vegetarian restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Then one evening, a co-worker of mine, which is my church brother, he see a job in the newspaper, in the Gleaner.
Yes.
So we went that afternoon to look about the job, and we get the job.
Yes.
So we leave from our previous workplace
Mm-hmm.
to the new one.
Right.
I was working there as a janitor
Yeah.
at Mother Earth Vegetarian Restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
So from there I learned to cook.
Oh.
I used to do like brown stew fish, steamed fish,
Mm-hmm.
and also wash up the dishes and those things in the afternoon and the pots.
Yeah.
Help to take care of the restaurant. You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
And then now is there I notice my foot start to get black.
Oh. Okay.
Sometime after that now, I went to work, can't even perform my job.
Yeah. Because the leg was affecting
The leg
you.
was affecting. You
Okay.
understand?
How you mean? Explain what was happening.
All I down used to start to get dark.
Okay. And it
Dark.
hurts?
Yes, man, it hurt. Sometimes I go to work,
Mm-hmm.
I can't cook.
Okay.
Mostly sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
And until one evening my boss said to me, my co-worker said to me, if you want to save your foot, you have to come out of the heat.
Okay.
So my boss gave me some money,
Mm-hmm.
and I hire a taxi, and he take me home
Yes.
and bring me down to public.
Mm-hmm.
So when I went down there now and they do the examination,
Yeah.
I see the person that doing the examination get a book,
Mm-hmm.
and he draw my 5 toe on it.
Yes.
When I went up now to 2 North, that is upstairs,
Mm-hmm.
and see the doctor,
Mm-hmm.
he said, Mr. Heron, this one have to go, this one have to go, this one have to go.
Those are referring to your toes?
Yes, referring to my toe.
Oh,
So after I
wow.
read the consent form
Mm-hmm.
and understand what can take place from what is there in my foot, can come up and mash up my liver and kidney and those
Oh,
stuff.
yes.
I signed the consent form. And one morning, I think it was a Friday morning, he came and did the operation.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, honestly, I did love chicken, and when I see what come out of my foot, I could almost see the back of my foot when it take out everything that need to come out.
Oh, no. So, and all of this, because you mentioned before, you were diagnosed with diabetes,
Yes.
and that is why the leg got
I
amputated.
get amputated because of the poor circulation too.
Right,
Because of poor
right.
circulation.
Yes.
And I get discharged. I spend a while there and I get discharged and go home. But I have to go back.
Okay.
I have to go back.
Why did you have to go back to do a
Because
follow-up on the leg?
the other toes that leave will start to give him problem.
On the other foot?
No, on the same foot.
The same foot?
Yes.
Oh.
Because remember this one did leave and the big one.
Right, right.
So they start to give problems. So I have to go back and take them off.
Oh, I see.
And then now I decided to come home. And when I come home now, I took sick down here again.
Oh, so you decided to come home, as in come back to
Yes,
Robbins
come back to
Hall?
the Robbins Hall.
Okay.
And I took sick again, and I was admitted over Percy Jr.
Okay.
This time I spent, it was 4 days. For 6 solid months I spent over there.
6 months?
Yes. honestly.
Oh my God.
6 months.
Oh wow. So when you were in there for 6 months now, all you had on this leg here that is now amputated, it's just the toes that were removed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So talk to us about what happened then after that.
And then after that now, I come home back now. I get better and I come home back. And the foot start to hurt me again. So I have to go back over there. And when I go back over there now, I was admitted again. It's there I do the amputation up here, below knee amputation.
Okay.
When the doctor explain everything to me and tell me what can take place.
Yes.
So I come home, I go over there last year, October. I spent 3 weeks there, come out, come home. The Lord have it as I meet a nurse over there by the nurse of name of Nurse Madden. And when I come home the Thursday, I
Yes.
supposed to go back over there for ward review. Rain fall the Wednesday night, so when I wake up Thursday morning about 4 o'clock, and when I take my 2 crutches and look, I say, Lord, I cannot make it. Because I never used to,
Yeah.
I never used to the crutch.
Yes, because this was new to
It
you.
was new to me. So I call nurse and tell her that I cannot make it. He said, okay, I will come and dress your foot for you.
Oh wow.
And he come here until my foot heal.
Oh my God. So you did not have to go.
I did not have to go.
She
And
came
if I
to
want
you.
anything in Christina, I just call her and ask her to buy it for me.
Oh wow.
And she bring it for me.
She has been a blessing to
Yes,
you.
it's a blessing.
Yeah.
It's a blessing.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful.
So when I come home now and all of that, I have to get somebody to wash for me and pay them.
Yeah.
But
Before you go there though, because I know on the other leg now, you say it's toeless.
yes.
So you went back after you amputated
Yes.
this leg to
No,
go?
man, before.
Okay.
Before.
Right.
Because honestly, when I spend the 6 years, I go back. When I spend the 6 months over there, doctor didn't want to amputate his foot.
Oh.
And I tell her no.
Yeah.
So if I did allow that,
Yeah.
I would have no foot now.
Okay. Yes.
I would have to go around on my knee. And wait before I get this one amputated. I could not sleep in the night.
Pain.
Sleepless night.
Oh my
If
God.
I even take painkiller, it don't go help me for a while.
Okay.
And after that, after I wear out, Lord have mercy, I can't sleep.
Yes. So you did endure a great
Lord
amount
have
of
mercy.
struggle with the legs.
Lot of difficulty with the leg. And a lot of pain.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so moving on now, because you were now talking to us now about what happened after your leg was healed and so life after amputation, in other words.
Life after amputation is
How was it for you?
not very easy. Not very easy. Some good friends of mine, they gave me some assistance.
Yes.
Like food stuff and some money.
Yes.
You understand? So it's there I move on from. I raise some chicken and I do a little farming.
But you had to learn now to do things
Yeah,
differently.
you have to learn new ways to do things now.
Yes.
Because after a while, the money run out.
Yes.
So I have to start wash my clothes, put it on the line, hang it out, and then now, after it dry, get my knee pad and pad up my knee, and bend down on my knee and take up the clothes.
Right, because you did mention that you used to pay somebody to wash for you, but you couldn't manage that financially.
No, financially.
So you had to find new ways.
New way to do things.
Right. Oh, wow.
Oh.
So you did go through it. Yeah. So what would be your advice to, anybody who is going through this experience at this time? Somebody who maybe, is newly amputated, having difficulties, maybe wondering, how am I going to, manage in terms of maybe my financials, how am I going to work and so on? What would be your advice to them based on what you have gone through? And you know, you're now living the life of an amputee. How would you advise this person?
Well, it's not very, to get your foot amputated, it's not very easy, you know. Because you know the Lord make you with all your members of your body.
Yes.
And to lose one, it's very difficult.
Yes.
But it's not the end of your life. Don't give up.
Yeah.
Trust in the Lord.
Yes.
And He will see you through.
Amen.
Wherever the assistant is, the Lord will help you to get it.
Yes.
Once you put your trust in Him and live according to His divine will,
Okay.
He will see you through.
Okay. All right. Well said. Well said, Mr. Heron. Thank you so much.
And thank you again for coming.
Yes. And thanks for sharing. And I
And
hope
may the
someone
Lord-
is inspired.
May the Lord be with you.
And with you as well.
Okay.
All right.
All right. This is how I go down there. You can walk this way.
Okay.
I'm if you go from so.
Whichever is more comfortable to
You can
you.
walk here, so you know.
All right.
Something. All right. You can use this as a shield.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I use this as a shield.
So you ever fall yet, Mr.
God
Heron?
have mercy. I tell you, well, recently now, so me can't maneuver the stick. Me can't maneuver the stick.
Yeah.
Mine is zinc. This is a fall cub.
Okay. There's no chicken in there right now?
Well, me kill them out about 2 weeks ago.
Okay,
Or
okay.
2 weeks ago. This is how I got down there. And me knee.
Okay. Oh,
You see it? What I'm telling you, it's just the mercy of the Lord that hold it. Just the mercy of the Lord.
oh, it's falling apart.
Yes, it a pull the other part right there, so.
Okay. Oh, Lord.
So the plan is, to put a bathroom right here. Right here.
Okay.
That's we can just leave out of my room and come to the bathroom.
Right, rather than to go outside.
Yes. God, very difficult.
Yes.
Lime tree again.
Yes. Wow.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
You know, pretty if you go down there now.
Oh, be careful.
You know, pretty.
Oh, my.
And at 2 days me down there work. Yeah. Me
Yeah.
have man down there work yesterday.
Yo, you had some people working for you yesterday down
One of
there?
my friend, one of my church brother dig a mill yesterday. I'm
Okay.
bringing some yam stick in the ground and me I put it up.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Still work.
Yes.
Have to work. You have to do something.
Absolutely. Oh, so you have to turn the other way to go down
Yes,
now.
man, you better have to go down this way.
Yes.
Front way,
You have
you could
better.
just turn over on your face.
Oh. So you have better balance like this.
Yes, better balance.
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Better balance this way.
Oh, wow.
This is the outside latrine.
Okay.
And me fix it up the other day.
Okay. Oh,
But the
so-
seat it break down.
oh, I see. So you don't have no door, Mr. Heron?
No door, no funny darling, no door.
Oh, Lord.
No door. You see? That's the way I go down.
Okay.
Apple tree. You know something beer the other day?
Oh, wow.
And it's not the ordinary apple.
I realize.
Right now say I still have young one on it.
I see them. I see the young apples on it.
Pick some apple bigger than my fish.
Yeah? So what you do when you have these apples? You sell them to the market?
Sell one.
Or they
You
just,
give it away.
you give it away?
I give you a lot of
Oh, wow.
bananas. They don't pay. Higgler don't pay no money for it
Yes.
because all your big 8 banana they want to give you all $300.
Dollars. Oh.
Me feel more justified give him one sell it.
Yeah,
Honestly.
So because of that now you don't bother to sell it, you just give it away.
Yes, but they like not the lime now.
Mm-hmm.
The lime sell.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
All of these lime tree and sweet sap trees me planted.
Okay. Oh, that's a sweet sap tree down there.
Yes, it's a sweet sap.
Okay. Oh boy, Mr. Heron, I don't know how you manage this road because I am
It's only the good
skating
Lord
right
of
through.
heaven. It's only the good Lord of heaven,
Yes.
darling.
I'm skating down it right
You're
now.
skating. But to me used to hit.
Yes.
Eh?
Oh wow.
It's one big lime there.
Yes, I see it on the ground.
You can take it up, you know.
Okay, all right. Let me go get that. Okay.
Bush cabbage.
Nice. Bush cabbages. You plant them too, Mr. Heron?
Yes. Everything you see down here is me planted.
Wow,
Source
lovely.
of tree. First time it bear one. We have one plant right now.
Okay.
You see all the way down.
Yes. So your farm is right here?
Yeah,
That,
where you see.
and that area that is plowed up too?
No. That's my
Just, that's your?
cousin farm.
Okay, so it's right here that where the sticks are?
Yes. The yam
Okay.
stick.
Okay. And over this side?
And over this side, so now me go plow up here, get 2 man and plow up here, so.
Yes.
And plant some sweet potato and pumpkin.
Okay, okay.
This is where we're going. Is round leaf. Yellow yam.
Yes. Okay, so all the way, the entire journey to the farm is a back way walk for you?
Sometime back way,
Yes.
front way up sometime on my knee. And sometime I come up on my bottom.
Oh, wow.
Back way, same way.
And when it's wet, what do you do?
Oh, when it's wet now, I normally go to the farm like say 6 o'clock, 6:30. When we in fall, I go there like 8 o'clock because I've
Wait
allow
until
the place till it dry up
dry
first.
up. Okay.
This is a young pear tree we planted too, and that one
Yes.
out there.
You plant a lot of fruit trees though,
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Heron. That's very
Yes,
good.
we have a lime tree. We have a lime tree down in that gully, you know.
Yes, and I see cassava down there as well.
Sweet cassava.
Yeah. Very nice.
Sweet cassava. All right, don't slip on, no slip around.
So does it affect your knees? It squeeze, they hurt?
You know, it's really squeezy, though, but we use some olive oil to. Oh Lord, never wait back in the yam stick.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Yes, is here working yesterday.
Okay.
The gentleman was bringing the yam stick into the field, and then I was putting up. But me decide say, show me and work so hard from the other day.
Yes.
Me take a rest for the rest of the week.
Okay.
Not going into the farm this week.
Yeah. Except for today.
Yes, except for today.
Oh, wow.
I need to put up all of these yam stick.
So is you jam the yam stick them now when you're ready?
Is me dig a hole,
Okay.
the yam stick hole, and put them up.
Okay.
All I need, only somebody to bring it in the ground.
Okay, so when somebody bring it into the farm
Yeah, man,
for
I'm
you.
good to go. This is where we stop now. If you want to go down, I don't know if you're going any further.
So how do you survive, Mr. Heron?
Oh, Lord.
Talk to us about that.
Survival, not pretty. It's only good Lord of heaven, no, honestly.
Yes. Because even though you're saying, you plant this and you plant that, how feasible is it? Does it help you, with your daily activities, or like how you're explaining to us that, the living condition is not so right? Is it that it's just for food, or talk to us?
Like the yellow yam now, you know that yellow yam not coming in until, call it probably about November, January. Lime now, not ready yet, because you can sell, you understand?
Yes.
We have a little shop up the road,
Yeah, okay, I have a little
shop
shop.
up there. Little shop.
Yeah.
But the money is not there to fix it the right way that I want it to fix.
Oh, that's the shop at the roadside where
Yes.
we park?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
That's mine.
So that is not operational right now? There's nothing in there?
There's a couple drinks in there right now.
Okay.
At this present moment.
Oh, but you can't afford to stock it with anything else?
Yes, at this moment.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. So what would you want assistance with?
As I said to you, I would like some assistance with the house.
Okay.
That's the main priority, honestly.
Yes.
And a bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I would like the assistant.
Okay.
Because that is priority right now.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see. All right, so in turn, you said assistance with the house, but tell us exactly what you would want.
Black, marl, steel,
Okay.
board, zinc, cement, whatever to complete it.
Okay.
Because that right now, the other part there now, that's splitting apart.
Okay.
That need to lick down and dig
Yeah.
out the foundations and bring it up anew.
Also, you would want some assistance with building materials.
Yes,
Okay, so you can make a room and a bathroom.
yes.
Okay, I see. All right, so we're heading back up now.
Yes.
All right, so we're going to see you in action going up back.
Hey, action,
Yes?
action. This is the same way how I come down, I go.
Okay. All right.
And you can go faster too.
Oh, you go faster down or you come down?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Because I remember say when you come down in your skid, you know. Because the place is loosey.
The dirt loose.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
All these yams, can me put them up, you know. Yes, I get man dig the hill.
Okay, and you just put in the...
And I put up the yam stick. If I have the money I pay them to put it up, you understand?
Okay, okay, understand. Oh, wow. It's still hard to go up.
Yeah, man, you know,
It's
easy.
tiring.
You know, it's tiring to go up, you know. You know, pretty to go up.
Oh,
Not
wow.
pretty.
Not pretty at all.
I have to stop and rest.
Yes.
But if I use this stick, the crutch stick to come down here, it's more difficult.
Yes, so that's why you just balance with a stick or your
Yes.
broom.
It takes a lot of pressure to come down and go back.
It does. I'm feeling it too.
You see it? Give me a reverse.
Oh, Lord.
Whoa. Have mercy, Lord.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. Merciful Father.
Oh, wow.
You say you're tired? You have 2 foot and me have 1.5. You're tired more than me, no?
Yes, man, I am tired. You see that?
Because,
I have 2, you
what
have
happened?
1.5.
Me used to it and you don't used to it.
Yeah. Wow.
It's the Lord. I wanted a black tank. And the Lord provided this one, I get it from a cousin of mine.
Oh, wow. And they build up the stand nicely too.
Yeah, my cousin that is working up there now, the Rasta one, and helped me to build up the stand.
Yes.
When what?
You have water shortage?
Lord have mercy.
Oh, Lord.
Now easy when we have water shortage down here. For
Yes.
me can't carry water.
So
I have to pay somebody to carry it from up on the tank.
Okay.
Especially when we have chicken in the coop.
Okay.
I know so when the time hot they drink a lot of water.
What you plant in that drum over there? That look like bush cabbage too?
No, is pop choy
Oh.
and there's an apple sucker.
Okay, okay.
The same apple down there.
Oh, so after
I think I have some, yesterday I set some seed in it.
Okay.
So when they come up, you can get them.
Okay.
Nice apple to have.
Yes, man. Oh, this is a look outside fire.
This is when we're killing chicken.
Oh, you use here so.
I use here.
So when you're doing the chicken now, you have to get someone to help you to slaughter and so on and pluck
Yes, they kill and me pluck.
them. Oh.
I do all the plucking.
Yes. So you're very handy, Mr. Heron.
What?
Very active. You don't
You have
just
to
sit
help
around
yourself,
and...
you know.
Yes, man.
Even if you're getting assistant,
Yes.
but you have to help yourself.
That's very good.
Have to help.
That's very admirable of you.
I don't like to sit down.
So you do what you can to assist
Do
yourself.
what I can to assist myself.
Yes. These are your cats?
Huh?
Are your cats?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Mother and daughter.
They're so quiet.
That one are pregnant.
Okay.
Saying she want a baby.
So what is this here, so now?
This was a little outside bathroom, you know.
Oh, it mash up
But look
now.
here, it now I may lick it down back. Because what happened, it never square, you notice it not square.
Oh.
It's not square. The building not square. So, and it is too small.
Yes.
So I lick it down back. So I'm going to take a piece of this and I make it longer so you can hold it properly.
Oh, you're going back way with
Yeah,
it.
going back way.
Okay, okay.
Back way.
The building not square at all, Mr.
No,
Heron.
it not square, it not square, it not square.
Oh my goodness.
You
So
want-
whose yam head is this? Yours?
You know what I see? If you go, let's go see something. I try we have to dig it yesterday, but I'm more than that, you know, but you notice some cut off of it. If you want a tar, you know, if you want a piece, you can
It's
get it.
tar? Oh.
Tar yam. You
yes.
eat tar yam?
Yes, man, of course.
If you want a piece, you can get it.
Okay, thank
Come
you.
in.
Oh. Okay. Wow, so did you wait to see how much it weighs, Mr. Heron?
And yesterday, we never wait, you know.
Okay.
But I think it should have been about 40 pounds or 35, if I don't lie.
Okay.
Because you notice,
It's big.
they cut off some of it and give it away. This is yours.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hold on, I'm going to put it in a bag.
Okay.
So you have some,
you
can
didn't?
pick, when you finish with your husband, fix some star food for you.
Okay. You don't have to put it in a bag, Mr. Heron. It's okay.
But you don't want to dirty up your hand.
All right.
My hand dirty already, you know.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Plastic bag is available, man.
All right. Mr. Heron said to pick, so pick some more.
Pick it, man, pick it. And me tell you to pick it, you know. You're afraid to pick it.
So guys, we're picking star fruit.
And me say pick, full the bag.
Oh, wow. Yes.
The more you give, the more you receive.
Yes.
That's what the Bible said.
Yes.
They don't see him say go.
Nice.
All right. I was down there putting up some yam stick. And son did that, something come up.
Yeah. Still picking?
You know, don't pick yet.
Mr. Heron say, no, don't pick it.
And pick, man. Aye. And they're sweet like sugar. You know,
Like the
say
birds ate it.
a bird, you know. I saw a little bird named Short Mouth. Then I mad them.
Okay. All right, guys, so this is it for today. This is where we end the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Thank you for making it a little Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Bye-bye.
Thanks for coming and hope you have a safe trip back home.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Heron.
Okay.
Blessed love.